Your mom was wrong about this one thing. We've all been told that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis. But here's the truth that'll blow your mind. A doctor actually studied this for 60 years. He cracked the knuckles on his left hand every day for 6 decades, but he never touched his right hand. The result? 0 difference in arthritis between his hands. That popping sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is just gas bubbles in your joint fluid bursting. It's like bubble wrap. Multiple studies have confirmed that knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis. So crack away, guilt-free. Drop a thumbs up if this myth fooled you too, and follow for more science facts that'll blow your mind.